Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tag Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually disconnect your Battle.net account from your Discord account. Now, it's a very easy process. Let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Discord application right here and sign into your Discord account, which has your Battle.net account linked to it. Now, from there we go to our user settings in the bottom of our screen right here. Now we get a load of options to choose from, and here we go down to the connections right below devices. Now from here you see all your linked accounts to your Discord account. Now let's say that my Steam account is my Battle.net account. Now from here you simply go down to the little X icon right here, the X mark. Now simply press it, and what this will do, it will disconnect your Battle.net account from your Discord account. Now as you can see, the little text, it might remove you from certain servers that you have connected via your Battle.net account. Now let's say you have a server and you know of it, simply write it down so you can join it later on. Now press disconnect, and that should be it. If you still got any other questions, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.